forever. You are supposed to be loyal to Doreen forever, while Doreen is supposed to be faithful to you forever. Very nice combination. One is loyal, the other is faithful forever. Alright? At home, when you are living together as husband and wife, you should observe transparency. Anong ibig sabihin? Ibig sabihin, walang sekreto. Kailangan malaman ni Ricardo at ni Doreen ang mga bagay na alam din ni Ricardo. Malaman din ni Ricardo ang mga bagay na alam din ni Why? Because if there is no secret by one,